Alright guys, it's gonna be a speed run test today. Full ROM cut 6S Erevo 2.0. No crazy upgrades, just aluminum brace, heatsink, shock oil, one side turnbuckles because I broke them, but I'll show you. One side turnbuckle is gonna be upgraded. These sides are gonna be upgraded sooner or later, but I haven't broke any other else, but they seem like they're good. Replacement, quite the expensive piece, but you can find it for the cheap. It's a good deal. Bruh, I'm so sorry. That's kind of sad. That's a sad play. Yeah. Just hold wheelies for days, you just gotta get the throttle right. Oh shit. It's quite rowdy. So Badlands full set. Oh look at that. Look at the rear wheel. Just Badlands, wheelie bar of course. GoPro was supposed to be up there, broke them out. Oh shit, we got some ants up there. Can't do that. But yeah, nothing crazy, just a simple setup. 2046 tooth pinion. This is all you need in an RC car, honestly. I have a Slash, Erevo, Merc. This is the one right here. This is the one. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. So, I don't know what's up with my fucking toe and camera and stuff. I'll adjust that later, but it's all messed up and junked and kind of shot, and that's okay. Oh yeah. You can see those boys need to be tight. Just a tad, not even a... I need to replace those boots. Yeah, my boots are all torn up. I don't know why. They just came torn up. Yeah, really bad system. Let's go chase that guy. It sounds like one of those tires are ballooning on me. I don't know how fast that looks on camera. Oh yeah, look at that camber. That shit's broken, but that's okay. It drives pin straight. Pretty straight. Straight out wheelie. wheelie in for you guys. Oh! Oh! Smack that fucking cone. Oh, no damage, no damage. Not crazy. I got a puncture right there. I don't know what from. Yeah, shit's all messed. It's all junk. That's okay. They replaced one of those dog collar axles because those things are no good. I want to swap over some MIPs. Oh, ran over a water bottle. I'm going crazy. Woo! I don't know why these cones are here for. These batteries about to die soon here shortly. Maybe. I don't know how many minutes will we in. 7 minutes? That's still pretty fresh. Let's see what's going on. Oh, what the fuck? You tripping. You tripping, girl. Oh, let me swap hands. It just has fun, man. There's nothing else with it. Just likes having fun. Ooh! Through the wire, through that wheelie bar off balance. I am still on the Traxxas batteries and everything. I like the ID chargers. I like the everything from Traxxas. Look at that. Wheelies. That body is just flapping like it's getting ready to fly. Look at this. Let's bring it closer. Oh. I don't know. I'm getting so far. Come. Bring it closer. Oh, straight up ballooning. Yes. Oh no. To all the people that want to run the 2046 tooth spur, it's gonna blow out your stock tires. I blew out 6 tires already. All gone, so I had to replace the set. Came with 2 extra stock ones, but yeah, that seems to be holding up quite the piece. Oh shit, little O-ring coming out. It's all good. It's all good. Look at this. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Garbage. Can't have that. You know, no play. I really don't know how fast it is. I haven't tried it. Oh. It just rips everything apart.
That's how you blow out your tires, guys. Full throttle and turn it. That's how you do it. Yeah. Hey. See how hot this motor is.
Something sounds solid. Still good. Motor's feeling a bit hot. Hotter than usual. Well, not really. It's actually quite all the speed runs. How long we've been running this? 12 minutes of fucking literally full throttle trying to speed test, speed runs. It's been holding up quite nice. Got a little drop test for you guys. That was kind of. Oh, I dropped my phone. Like that. And stop the video right here and then get back to you guys in a few minutes right now. Alright guys, I'm gonna be running it without the body. Fucking motor's like pretty fucking hot. It's just gonna be been letting it cool down for a few minutes, but perfect weather for some no body bashing. Body speed.
Motor's probably not liking it.
It's fine, so I'm getting still hot. Yeah. It was freaking burning when I first touched it. I think we're all good though. Everything seems to be. Woo! Motor's still quite hot. Peace, but.
Oh, blew up the. Sorry, guys. Right in the way. Shot rocks at me. No traction on that rear end over here.
Set up right here. I should be able to get some traction here. Oh, I didn't like it. That's a dead battery. Nope. Oh yeah, we own dead batteries, baby. Dead batteries, baby. This shit's slow as fuck now. Full throttle. Arr! Oh, Okay, yeah, that motor's probably getting fucking. Motor probably doesn't like it actually. Yeah, reading voltage right there. I'm about to be dead. Do some low hardcore real quick. Oh, smack that cone. Oh, go smack that. Oh my goodness, almost fucking took myself out. Jesus Christ. Woo! No two-wheel action. Servos seem to be dead, but it's taking up to it. Sounds pretty good. Alright, that's it. That's it, baby. Wheelie bar is fucking hanging off the whole time. Back into the car. Alright, boys. We out.